Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you how to say how are you in Japanese. So let's begin. How are you in Japanese is simply just saying genki. If you wanna be polite, you can say o genki desu ka? O genki desu ka? If you wanna say I'm fine back to that question, you can say genki. In a formal way, you can say genki desu. Genki desu. Okay, so here is a quick summary of today's video. How are you is genki. O genki desu ka is a polite way. Answering to the question, you can say genki, which means I'm fine. Impolitely, you can say genki desu. If you have any Japanese friends or colleagues, please try it. I hope you enjoy the video and I see you soon.